Hello traders! We have collected the top 5 frequently asked questions from our support team. What is the difference between timeless funding and quick funding?
Timeless funding removes the time constraints of 30 and 60 days in phase 1 and 2, so traders can enjoy the flexibility to trade without worrying about the ticking clock. However, the quick funding is an accelerated version of the standard account, eliminating the 5 minimum trading day requirements, thereby offering more agility in trading.
Can I change between the services offered after I started trading?
No. These are different products, so after you start trading, there is no chance to change your current plan. So choose wisely.
How to pay or get paid with crypto?
Currently, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and USDT TRC20 are available for payments. Please send your payment on the correct network for your order. For details, please visit our FAQ and assistance page.
Am I able to use an EA?
Absolutely yes. We support the use of trading tools, indicators, expert advisors, and even bots.
How long does it take to process each phase and get funded?
You can get even funded the next day. Check out our account types on the website. The standard account has 5 minimum trading days and a trading period. The quick funding has no minimum trading days but has a trading period. The timeless funding has 5 minimum trading days and no trading period, and the one-phase funding has 5 minimum trading days and a trading period. Our funded payouts are based on a bi-weekly basis. Check out on our website.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.